Thank you for joining me for this trade review video using the GoZone automated trading bot. Hello, my name is Ron Myers. I'm one of the founders of GoZone Trading. Our goal is to simplify trading by giving you the strategies and tools needed to make trading as easy as possible. That being said, let's take a look and see how we are achieving our goal. Before we get started, please take a moment and pause this video and read our disclosure. This video is for educational purposes only. Please be aware that past performances do not guarantee future results. The game plan for this review video: we will go over the complete trading session and review every task the ATB made along with the profit and losses. Then we'll play the video of the same session sped up so you can see the ATB trade the several-hour period in only a couple of minutes. The market we'll be trading today is the NASDAQ 100 on a 5-minute time frame. The first thing we're going to review is how to set up our trading plan. Okay, we're going to be risking 2% of our trading account on each trade. We have a 50-point stop. We're going to start the ATB 5 minutes after the cash market starts, and we're going to have it shut off an hour before the cash market ends. We have auto trading close on, and if we have any open trades 30 minutes before the cash market ends, then the ATB will close out all of our trades. Our exit percentage on the end of the go zone is 75%. Our first take profit target is 120 points, and if we hit that target, we will close out 50% of our trade. We have a 1-point buffer on our breakout levels, and the maximum total loss I'm willing to take on today's trading day is 5%. Maximum total gain is 12%. This is the NASDAQ 100 on a 5-minute time frame. The market opened here. We had the ATB turn on 5 minutes later, and the ATB put us into a trade on confirmation. The market went up and came out of the go zone about 78 points later. The ATB closed out 75% of our trade for a $234 gain. We still have 25%, which is one lot, still working for us. And then went sideways for a bit. We missed one false start because of the breakout lines, but got caught in the second false start for a loss of $45. Then it came out of the go zone. Again, the ATB closed out 75% of our trade, and we still had one lot still working for us. The market continued on the way up and hit our 120-point take profit target from our first entry for another $121 gain. The ATB was to close out 50% of our trade, but since it was one lot, and that's a minimum lot size for this market, the ATB closed out the trade completely. On that same candle is where the ATB shut off, so we will not enter into another trade, but it will finish any trade that's still in play. 30 minutes later, we had the auto trade close set to close any remaining trades, so we got out right at the top of the market for another $55 gain. That $45 loss ended up being a $10 gain. This is one of the great advantages of the 75-25 strategy. Our grand total gain for this session was $366, which equates to a 3.7% gain, which was an excellent result, especially considering how bad the European market was today. Look for my DAX trade review video for March 31st as well. We had a bad day on that market and still managed to make a little money. The GoZone indicator and the ATB are great tools, but no one makes big gains in rangy markets. The best you could hope for in a bad market is not to lose big, and the GoZone ATB helps you with that. Now let's take a look at this review video in full swing, and you can see the ATB execute these trades. Before I speed up this video, I have to admit I messed up when recording this session. I turned on the ATB and the recording right before I went to bed, and if you notice, the market is already trading past the auto scroll, so we will lose a bit of the video as the market trades out of view. But I did wake up and caught my error right after the $45 loss, so it's still worth the watch. Enjoy. I would like to thank you again for joining me on this trade review, and I hope this helps you understand the advantages of trading with the Zone ATB. If you have any questions, please email us at contact@gozonetrading.com. Until next time, have a great stress-free trading day. Thank you.